Hello student, in the previous video of the chapter 3rd history Nazism and the rise of Hitler, we discussed about the racial state of the Nazis, means how the Hitler established the Nazism in Germany and how he created the feelings of the hateness and the undesirables in the Jews regarding the Jews, communists and the gypsies in the minds of the Nazis Aryan's law. Now in this video we will discuss about the youth in the Nazi Germany, how Hitler treated the children in the Germany. Hitler was fanatically interested in the youth of the country. He felt that a strong Nazi society could be established only by teaching children Nazi ideology. और इसके लिए उसने स्कूल्स के इनसाइड और आउटसाइड दोनों साइड बच्चों के ऊपर पूरे कंट्रोल के लिए अरेंजमेंट किए. And all schools were cleansed and purified. This meant that the teachers who were Jews are seen as political unreliable and they were dismissed. Children were first segregated, means Germans और Jews children को स्कूल में बैठने के लिए और खेलने के लिए अलग से अरेंजमेंट किए गए और Jews को अनडिज़ायरेबल बच्चे माना गया. Even the Jews, the physical handicapped and the gypsies, they were thrown out of the school, means उन्हें स्कूल से निकाल दिया गया. And finally in the 1940 they were taken to the gas chambers. And good German children were subjected to a process of Nazi schooling. And for this procedure they have to give a way of a long trainings. School textbooks were rewritten. Racial science was introduced to justify Nazi ideas of race. Even इन मैथ क्लासेस में भी ज्यूज़ के लिए अलग से ही इमेजेस बनाई जाने लगी. एंड द चिल्ड्रन वर टोल्ड टू बी लॉयल एंड सबमिसिव एंड दे आल्सो टोल्ड टू हेट ज्यूज़ एंड वर्शिप हिटलर. इवन स्कूल में स्पोर्ट्स के थ्रू भी बच्चों में हिंसा और अकारात्मक की भावना पैदा की जाने लगी. एंड हिटलर बिलीव दैट बॉक्सिंग कुड मेक चिल्ड्रन आयरन हार्टेड, स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड द मैस्कुलाइन. Youth organizations were made responsible for educating German youth in the spirit of the National Socialism. 10 to 40 years children had to enter the jungle walk, and 14 to 18 years old boys had to join the Nazi youth organization that was known as a Hitler Youth, where they learned to worship war, glorify aggression and violence, even the criticize the democracy and hate Jews, communists and gypsy, means all who are categorized as undesirable. And above 18 years children have to join the labor services. Then they had to serve in the armed force and enter one of the Nazi organization. And the Youth League of the Nazi was founded in 1922. And 4 years later it was renamed as a Hitler Youth, and where they learn to worship war and hate all undesirable people like the Jews, communists and the gypsies. And all other youth organizations were systematically dissolved and finally banned in the Hitler's rule. In the next video we will discuss about the Nazi cult of motherhood, means Nazis' views about the motherhoods.